may we introduce the new compact and ergonomic welding laser ALV, which is available as a flash lamp pumped ND laser with 120 or 180 watt, but also as a fiber laser with 150 or 300 watt. Its door concept is completely new. You can choose between hinge doors opening upwards with a slot at the side, classic doors that open to the side for easy loading of the work chamber. Or you can mix the two door versions. The laser system can be easily moved to a different location. Now let us take a closer look on how to operate the laser. Inside the work chamber, the illumination brightness may be set by a dimmer. All relevant laser parameter can be adjusted quickly using the parameter joystick without taking your hands out of the chamber. For circular welding, different rotary axes for different applications are available. A funnel helps when threading in long components. The pneumatic chuck can be switched by a foot switch. The rotary axis may be used horizontal or vertical. The circular welding app is set and started via the touch display. The touch display also allows to teach a user coordinate system via 3 points. Once activated, there will be no need to refocus when welding on an inclined plane. With a few simple steps, the laser-safe closed system is transformed into an open laser workstation, for which, of course, appropriate laser protection measures must be taken. The ALV SPS with programmable logic controller is ideal for welding parts for sensors and precision engineering, as well as for classic tasks such as repair welding for tools and dies. For further automation, we recommend the ALV with the Win Laser NC control. This software enables interpolated travel in X, Y, and Z, and the processing of magazines with several components. The ALV is available with ND-YAG or fiber laser. It is easy to operate via intuitive to use touchscreen, equipped with 3 linear axes and optional rotary axes, offers a versatile door concept, is ideal for automated or manual precision welding, is a compact and ergonomic workplace, can be operated open or closed, and can handle workpieces up to 50 kilograms.